In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Upwork account in just 5 minutes. If you're locked out of your Upwork account and you're eager to get back to freelancing, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser. Just fire it up. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in Upwork Reset Password. Now be sure to look for the official Upwork link in your search results. Usually, it'll be one of the top results, and clicking this link will take you to the password reset page on the Upwork website. Double-check that the URL starts with www.upwork.com to ensure you're accessing the correct and secure page. Once you're on the Upwork password reset page, you'll be prompted to provide some information. You'll need to either enter your Upwork username or the email address you have registered with your Upwork account. Make sure to double-check your entry for any typos, as this is crucial for the next steps. This step ensures Upwork knows which account needs recovering, so take a moment to be thorough. After submitting your username or email address, an email will shortly arrive in your inbox. This message will come from Upwork, so keep an eye on your email notifications. Depending on your email provider, this email might sneak into your spam or promotions folder, so if you don't see it in a minute or two, be sure to check those places. In the email from Upwork, you'll find instructions on how to reset your password. Open the email, carefully read through the contents, and look for the password reset link. This link is your gateway to regaining access to your account. Click on the link, which will direct you back to a secure area of Upwork's website specifically for resetting passwords. Now, you're ready to reset your password. Create a strong, secure password that you haven't used before. It should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure maximum security. Take note of this new password in a safe place to avoid any future lockouts. Once you've entered your new password and confirmed it, proceed to finalize the process. Congratulations, you've now successfully reset your password and can re-access your Upwork account. With everything in place, you'll be able to continue your freelancing journey without missing a beat. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, you can always return to this guide if you need to reset your password again. Good luck, and happy freelancing!